So, came home to find this in the mail from Amazon. This is the C2 Side 2 timing chain kit for the Eurovan. All right, I got this off of Amazon. I think it was like $120 or something. I'll go ahead and I'll show you exactly what comes in the kit. Yeah, so right now the chains are making noise, and I think I think just the guides are worn, but I figure, you know what, if I'm going to take the transmission down, might as well just go ahead and do everything. So here we go. I'll go ahead and show you how this, what's included and how it was packaged, okay? So obviously here's the box, and the box is not too big. It's maybe about 6 inches by maybe 14 inches or so. All right, and about 2 inches deep, possibly 2.5. All right, and here are all the pieces. So here are all the pieces, and they all come pre-packaged in their own individual, pretty thick plastic material bags. You know, the stuff that you'll see like rotors packaged in. You know, the brake rotors packaged in that type of plastic material, if you can imagine. All right, so that all comes there. Then this tensioner came in its own little bag, in its own little box. All right. And then, so you have this included. So you have all your guides, which all the guides, they feel just like the original. So really good high density plastic, has all the right things that you'd be looking for. You know, every little detail that you would expect. You know, the metal sleeves where it attaches. And here's the one of the other guides. Again, really good plastic material, high density plastic material. Here's one of those tensioning guides, and again, you got that metal sleeve. You know, so it's good stuff. And there's this. This is the one that goes in between the two cams. All right, the cam adjusters. You get one here and one here, and then the chain goes over. So this guides it there. And then the sprockets themselves. Here's one and the other. It's going to be interesting to see how worn the original is after 160,000 miles. So here's this, and there's that. And then obviously this fits here. Only one way. There it is. All right. Yeah, so looks pretty good. I mean, it's the sprockets themselves, the teeth on it, they're nice and sharp. So, like I said, it's going to be interesting seeing what the originals look like. All right. And here's the tensioner with its own little copper washer, crush washer, right? So there's that. And then this little thing. When you get this, that clip right there, don't move it or don't remove it. And in the event that it does, which it did for me, there's a ratcheting pin there that will go ahead and prevent you from closing it. Okay, so that's actually what keeps the chain taut as everything kind of wears down. This will extend, and it will go ahead and keep tension on the chain itself. I'll show you how that works out. So as time progresses and things wear out, this will open more, and you can't push it in, so it'll maintain tension on the chain. So it keeps on and on and on until it's fully extended. Right? So now it's like, okay, great. How am I supposed to put this back, right? So just hang on a second. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how. What I have to do is actually put the phone underneath my chin, so that then I could use both hands for this. All right, so just hang on a second. All right, hopefully you can see this. So what you have to do is twist this way. You don't want to let it go out, extend itself more, because then it'll just fly out in the spring and everything will fly out. So you have to, now you can push it down, right? If it's like this, you can't push it down. But you twist it, push it all the way down, and twist it back to its original position. And then you get a screwdriver or anything to kind of hold that in place. And you flip that back down. And now it's in a good spot. You just put that there. All right. So if you're planning on doing the chains and that opens up, that's how you go ahead and you reset it so it's loaded and ready to be placed on the engine. And then here are the chains. Here's the upper one. See the upper one with 2 links marked, and the lower links that are marked. And then here's the lower chain. There you go. That's it.